Hello, welcome to our session on the spread operator in Python. Here we will be exploring how to use the spread operator with both list and dictionaries. The spread operator or unpacking operators, star for list, double star for dictionaries, is a powerful tool that allows us to unpack the elements of an iterable into another iterable. This means we can easily combine two or more lists or dictionaries without having to manually iterate over them. We will take a look at 7 different examples, how to use spread operator and how it can help us write more concise and readable code. First one, using the spread operator with a list. Second one, using the spread operator with a dictionary. Third one, using the spread operator in sets. Fourth one, using the spread operator in multiple iterable. Fifth one, using the spread operator for unpacking nested iterables. Sixth one, using the spread operator in function arguments. Seventh one, using the spread operator in named arguments. First one, using the spread operator with a list. Let us define a variable called original list. With the values of 1, 2 and 3, the elements of the original list are unpacked using the spread operator star and then combined with other elements 4 and 5, 4, 5 and 6. Let's print the value. As you can see here, the original lists are unpacked using star for the list. Let's run and see the output. Second one, using the spread operator with the dictionary. Let us define a variable called original dictionary with the key value pairs of A, B, C. The key value pairs of original dictionary are unpacked using the spread operator star star and then combined with the other key value pairs to create a new dictionary. After that, we can print the new dict. Note that the spread operator for the dictionary is star star instead of star. Let us run and print. Third one, using the spread operator in sets. In addition to list and tuples, the spread operator can also be used with sets. When used with sets, the spread operator unpacks the set and passes its elements as a separate arguments to the function. Here's an example. We have defined a set, my set, with the values 1, 2 and 3. We have then used the spread operator to pass the elements of the set as a separate arguments to the function print set elements function. Then it will print the values 1, 2, 3 from which is passed to the argument A, B, C. Fourth one, using the spread operator with multiple iterables. The spread operator unpacks all the iterables and combines their elements into a single iterable. Here is an example. We have defined 3 lists, list 1, list 2 and list 3 and used the spread operator to combine their elements into a single list called combine list. The spread operator unpacks all the elements in each list and combines them into a single iterable. Let's print the value, print the combined list and then see the output. Fifth one, using the spread operator for unpacking nested iterables. Nested iterables are iterables that contain other iterables. Here is an example. We have defined a list, my list, that contains nested list. We have then used the spread operator to unpack all the nested iterables and combine their elements into a single flat list called flat underscore list. The spread operator recursively unpacks all the nested iterables until all the elements are combined into a single flat list. Let's run and print the value. Sixth one, using the spread operator in the function argument. Let's say we have a function calculate sum that takes 2 arguments A and B and returns their sum. But we want to pass in a list of numbers to the function, but the function only takes in 2 arguments. In this code, we have defined a list of numbers and then used the spread operator to pass the first 2 elements of the list arguments to calculate the sum function. The spread operator unpacks the first 2 elements of a list 1 and 2 and pass them as a separate arguments to the function. The function then returns their sum, which is 3. Seventh one, using the spread operator with named arguments. Here we have defined a dictionary, mydex, with the key value pairs. We want to pass the named arguments to the print details function. We have then used the spread operator to unpack the dictionary and pass its key value pairs as a separate named arguments to the function. The function then prints out the details in the format specified. Let's run and see the output. Quick summary. Using the spread operator with the list is as simple as putting asterisk before the list name, that is star, and then using it to unpack the elements into another list. This can be especially useful when you want to add or remove elements from a list or combine multiple lists together. When it comes to dictionaries, the spread operator is denoted by two asterisks, that is 2 star. This is because it allows you to unpack the key value pairs of the dictionary into another dictionary, making it easy to merge dictionaries or add new key value pairs. In summary, the spread operator is a powerful and efficient way to combine or manipulate lists and dictionaries in Python. By using this operator, you can write more concise and readable code and save time and effort in the process. So why not give it a try in your next project? Thank you.